Watching prey pass, prowl, prowl, prowl. U for urchin.